Hey guys, Michelle here from Michelle's Party Planet. I'm back with another fun tutorial using Dollar Tree items. Today I want to share with you how you can make a Christmas themed gnome using stuff from Dollar Tree. And so let's get started. For this project what you're going to need is a tinsel jack-o'-lantern decoration, 2 cotton mop heads, a Santa hat of your choice, a wooden knob, some scissors, and a glue gun. Okay, we're going to go ahead and start by taking the tinsel off the decoration. These cotton head mops are pretty easy to take apart. All you have to do is just yank on the strings. Okay, for this I'm using 2 mops. And so once you have the 2 mops pulled apart, you can go ahead and get your scissors and just trim some of these knobs on the side. You could use your wire cutters too. They kind of get in the way when you're constructing your gnome. So let's just cut those back. You can leave a few of them that helps keep the fabric in place, but we don't need all of them. So next what we're going to do is get the rope or the pieces of the mop. What you're going to do is fold it in half so you have a loop on one end. You're going to pull that under the frame, and then we're going to do that technique. So I'll show you that again. In half, have a loop, going to fold it under, put it under, bring these 2 ends through the hole, and then pull down. So you're going to have this look throughout. We're just going to keep repeating that process. The loop, put it under the frame, get the 2 ends, put it through the hole, and then pull down. There you go. Okay, there's the first row. And what we can do is we're going to put 1 on each of these corners here. Same technique. We're just going to pull it down like that. So we're going to go this way, pull them in there, and pull down. That's just to help cover those sections. You can do the same thing on the ends here. Once you have the mop all tied to the frame, what you're going to want to do is get the mop and kind of take it apart. This is kind of time consuming, but you'll love the effect when you're done. The easiest way to do it is to grab from the top of the mop and just pull it through. That's the quickest. Okay, so once you have all of the strings separated, you're going to want to go ahead and get your Santa hat. Now, you can get these at Dollar Tree or anywhere actually, and just put it over the top part like so. I want his little top of the hat to droop over like this, so I'm going to put it down like that. And I'm going to put the hat on first so I know where to put his nose. So if I put the nose right here, I can have the hat kind of droop over. So that's a pretty good spot. I'm going to use this bar right here as a place to put the nose. Nice and sturdy. I'm just using a wooden knob. I'm just going to glue that onto there. I want the hat to kind of drape over his nose a little bit like that. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue right here, just so that the nose, or the hat can go above the nose like that. Okay, and then to secure the hat even further, I'm going to glue it to the side of the frame right here. And then also on this side right here. Once you have the sides tacked, that's really all you need to do. You could put a little bit more on the back if you want, just to tighten up the hat, but this hat fits pretty well, so I don't need to do anything back there. But that's basically it. Now you have your little Santa gnome. So I hope you liked this tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up or comment below, and stay tuned for our next craft. Talk to you later. Thank you. Bye-bye.